you're ready for some rain. Let's go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Indian Vapes and EJUICES. Today we are going to unbox the icare2 by Eleaf. It's a compact pod mount vape. It has a 650 mAh battery, inbuilt battery. The maximum wattage output which the device can go up to is 15 watts. It comes in 6 different colors, that is red, black, grey, white, red and green. But today we are going to unbox the grey one. You can purchase it for around 2000 or 2200 bucks in India, or around $15 to $18 around the globe. So let's start with unboxing. Here what the box of the icare2 looks like. A picture of the icare2 device in the front of the box. It says Eleaf on one side. You can see the barcode and the color of the device. Then here it says keep out of reach of children. It has its general standard configuration, nothing much. The content of the box are one icare2, one USB cable, two coils and one user manual. And yeah, if you want to check your authenticity of your product, then you need to go to eleafworld.com and enter this 16-digit number starting with 6596 8026 9413 4386, or you can directly just scan your QR code and confirm your product. So yeah, while removing the box you get your device directly in front of you. So keeping that aside, and let's check what else do we get. So we get a user manual. It says it's a quick start guide, do's and don'ts, how to use power on off, vaping. It shows the charging level and yeah, warranty. The same thing is in different languages, German, English, yeah. So let's keep that aside and let's check what else do we get. We get a small micro USB charger. It's not that premium, but it works. So, and we also get a coil. Oops, my bad. I've already used the coil because the old coil has gone out. So I'll just show you how to prime this coil. As you can see, there are two holes here, one right here and one right here. So you need to start filling your e-juice from here and one big drop here, and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After that, your device gets primed and you can attach the coil to your pod mount directly. So the device is very small and feels metalish kind of finish. So this is the battery, on off button, charging, and here this is the mouthpiece. You need to remove this part from here and you need to screw up your coil upwards and attach it back tightly so that the juice doesn't leak. And you need to fill your juice from these two holes. I'll just show you how to do that. So for that I have the Vape Kings Premium E-Liquid Blueberry Ice 70:30 VGPG. Dropped there and dropped here. So you can see that the juice is full. Now just need to attach the mouthpiece back. That's it, and here you go. On fast 5 clicks it turns on, and on fast 5 clicks it turns off. On. Yeah, you can charge it from here. So that's it for the device. So guys, let's check out the vapor production. So the vapor production is also very good for a small pod mod like this. So I recommend this device to beginners and those people who want to quit smoking because it has an amazing throat hit. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Stop smoking and start vaping.